Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Capricorn. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And yes, Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Somebody is upset and angry here, Capricorn. There's a feminine energy. Okay, let me not speak too soon. Oh, center of my spread. I have somebody coming in with an emotional love offer. Okay, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And see what I have as an underlying energy for the entire reading. The Four of Wands. Beautiful card. All right. So Capricorn, it seems somebody wants to come towards you with an emotional offer. They really want to charge towards you. They have a lot of regret and sorrow for the things that haven't maybe taken place, or maybe there was some confusion in your connection. They're feeling rather powerless here. Maybe they were trying to be a little dictatorial in the past, and that's why things didn't work out between the two of you. But there is a choice being made here. So before I start clarifying these cards, Capricorn, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. See if you guys, if you could say something to each other, what that would be first. Capricorn and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now. All right. Let's take a few more from here. Oops. Slippery cards. All right. So let's take a few from here, Capricorn. Capricorn and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Capricorn and their person. All right, thank you. And let's do a couple from here as well. Capricorn and their person, Spirit. And we're good to go. Let's start our reading. The first card here, Capricorn, says, "You say that I'm your divine true love and I'm always on your mind. I don't understand how you could have ghosted, ignored, or even blocked me so much over the years. There are times when you've denied my existence so much that I feel the pain might only end if I no longer existed." Yeah, somebody has a lot of regrets for the way they've behaved, and I do see a feminine energy very upset now with this kind of behavior. Okay, second card here says, "I'm willing to offer an olive branch to you if I'm able to communicate with you. I would gladly accept an olive branch from you. I long for peace and I miss you." Next card says, "You're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I have forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? Let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect." All right, I do see chances of things coming back together here, Capricorn. "My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities of your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave inner peace right now. My soul just feels so unsettled." So, wanting balance to come back and peace. "I want to welcome you into my family. You're half my soul family. I want us to have our own family together." And no wonder the family card showed up here. The Four of Wands. Next card says, "Though I haven't always said it with words, there is love in the silence. Close your eyes and feel my presence. Be still and listen to me tell you that I love you." I know that it is our destiny and to marry and have children together. We are to be united in mission to serve God's plan to spread love and light in this world. Our combined gifts are important in this world. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. But I do see, even though the damage has happened and somebody is not happy with the stagnancy, there could be a chance of this coming back together here, Capricorn. I haven't been happy for a long time. Let's see now what's going on here. Before I start clarifying these cards, Capricorn, I am going to take an angel blessing card and see what my angels have for you. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn, please. Oops, what's happening to your cards today? Capricorn and their person spirit. A card for them. Activists. So yes, expect some action to be coming your way, I feel, Capricorn. Or maybe somebody needs to take some action here, which I do see center of my spread. There is a Knight of Cups coming your way. I don't know whether this is new love, whether this is that old person coming back. I have a feeling this is an old person, Capricorn, because somebody is in a lot of regret and sorrow for the way things have not worked out. Okay, so let's put this card here and I'm going to start clarifying your cards now. Spirit, what is this Knight of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands in reverse? Knight of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. Knight of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. Okay, somebody hasn't come forward with an actual love offer or even an apology till now. Maybe there's been some kind of stagnancy here which has made somebody feel very upset to a point where they're thinking, is it time now to shut this chapter? Because there's so much of stillness between us. There's nothing coming from the other end. It's upsetting me and I'm ready now to shut this chapter down. One more, Spirit. Yes, somebody is almost thinking that their partner was in it only for the fun. Maybe they are thinking that their person was in it only for the sex maybe, or very immature, always dipped in and out of their life, but never really offered any emotional love here. And that's making, I think, this feminine energy feel upset and angry. Seven of Cups. What's the Seven of Cups, Spirit? Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups. Almost to a point, I think, where maybe they started looking at other options and thinking it's now time to release this toxic person from my life, because this person is never bringing strength to a connection, never offering that, happily ever after or a proposal or something like that. I think this feminine energy has lived in confusion for a long time and is feeling that, this is not ever going to come now. One more, Spirit, for the Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups. Yes, feeling that, there has been no stable offer made till now. And maybe this feminine is thinking that maybe it's time to start something brand new now and be happy finding maybe new love here. Maybe looking out for new options to see what else is out there here. Okay? So let's see what this Chariot is then. Chariot, Spirit? Chariot? What's this Chariot? 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 Somebody is in their feels, in their emotions now about a chance in love lost. They are very, very emotional right now because they feel that their person is now not available maybe, or maybe they've lost their chance of having true love in their life. I think they are pretty emotional and wanting now to come forward. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, they feel that things are totally out of balance. And yes, they are fearing that their partner is going to now maybe not accept them back or is upset with them or will ask some hard questions now. I do feel that their emotions have kind of come to the rise. Yes, the somebody does want to come forward now with something emotional, maybe a love offer. They want to end this fight between the two of you. They want to kind of get out of these troubled waters, and let's say, hey, can we make up now and kind of be peaceful? This is all because they've been also regretting big time. They are feeling bad. They're regretting what has happened. A good chance of having a beautiful love. Now they're recognizing, I think, this feminine to be their true love. So what's this Five of Cups spirit? What are they regretting? What are they regretting here? Maybe you guys are not talking to each other anymore. Maybe the messages have stopped between the two of you. And somebody is really stressing about that big time. Maybe they can't get to you, or maybe they're scared to send a message, or they haven't received a message from this feminine for some time. But now this is giving this masculine a lot of sleepless nights and a lot of regret for the way maybe something either was said in the past which kind of ruined this connection. One more, spirit. Five of Cups. Yeah, somebody wants a second chance here, Capricorn. I was feeling that from the word go. Somebody wants to renew this connection. They're wishing and hoping for a new chance here. What's this Three of Pentacles? Three of Pentacles? Three of Pentacles, spirit? They want to come and reveal something about why things kind of ended, why you guys couldn't work it out maybe in the past. Somebody really wants to speak out their truth. They are feeling defeated. They're feeling totally defeated. If they were behaving in a certain manner earlier, I think this person has lost all their power. Emperor in reverse is somebody who feels they don't want to, or maybe I don't know what. Yes, this person is feeling powerless to approach this feminine now because they know they've broken some promises in the past, and now they are fearing rejection. Maybe earlier they were trying to control, this relationship, or they were trying to be a dictator or something. Now they're realizing that their behavior has kind of, now they want to talk about it, and they're feeling this loss of love big time. They're really, really regretting and missing this chance in love. One more, spirit. Oh yes, somebody wants to come back. Now all they can think about is the fond memories of the past. This is like somebody who doesn't want to be, left behind or lose their love. They definitely want to come back because they're really, really missing this big cup of love which was probably offered to them. They never took, a chance then, and now they are fearing that if I do come back, this queen is going to now ask me hard questions. So the Lovers spirit in reverse. What's this Lovers in reverse? What's this Lovers in reverse? Sideways cards I don't take. This is an important one, spirit. Give me a clear answer. Ooh. One more. Somebody knows that they have a choice to make. Yes, they want a reunion. They definitely want a reunion. Except I think in the past this person has come off as very, very emotional. Unemotional. Very unemotional, non-loving, never kind of put their emotions out there. And now somebody is at crossroads. Yes, they're very, very overwhelmed. Now they're recognizing the way they've behaved in the past. Right? They never spoke the truth. Maybe they were harsh. They were unemotional. Now all their own behavior is becoming really a burden to them. Even though I think this masculine has now made a choice here that I want a reunion. I've made my decision. I want a reunion. But here they are stuck in... They're stuck right now in no man's land, at crossroads, planning, plotting, wondering how can they now come back to offer this cup of love if it may just get rejected. Am I right, spirit? Anything else for Capricorn? Anything else for Capricorn? One more. Yes, Spirit is saying if they take too long, if they take too long to not make a decision or stay at crossroads anymore, there is a feminine here who's very upset and very angry. I had her here as well, the Queen of Wands. And whoever's in this position, if they are standing and not taking action for too long, there is a big possibility of this Queen of Wands to just walk away. And then there'll be a bigger problem here. So I think what Spirit is urging here, Capricorn, for this masculine is time to take action. Now that you know who your partner is or who your Two of Cups was or is, if you want this, then you'll have to put in some work here, right? So yes, let's see whether they do or they don't. They asked right now. I can't predict what they'll do, Capricorn, because this person is still at crossroads right now, still planning and waiting for I don't know what. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.